All right, let's go ahead and do a quick rundown of what we have. So right here we have some boneless chicken back here. It's about 1.5 pounds of boneless chicken. Here we have an avocado. Make sure your avocado is ripe. If it's not ripe, guys, it's not gonna really work for this particular recipe. You gotta make sure it's soft. Right here we have some sliced cabbage, some chopped pineapples here, sour cream, olive oil, some lime juice here, more lime juice here, red onion, some jerk seasoning here, lime zest, cilantro, more jerk seasoning, mayo, got that Walker Wood wet Jamaican jerk marinade, and some more lime juice. So I know it looks like a lot of ingredients. It's not really that many ingredients. We have about 2 ingredients that are the same thing. That's taking up 6 different bowls. We have to do that because it's 3 parts of the recipe. We have to do our chicken, we have to make our salsa, and we have to make our avocado cream. All right, so let's get to it. All right, to get started, we're going to season our chicken. So we're gonna do that by adding our olive oil here to our bowl, along with our lime juice, that lemon zest or lime zest, our jerk seasoning, and our wet jerk marinade. You can go in here with your hands or a spoon, but we just want to get this mixed around. Let me go in with my hands so we can get this stuff mixed around in here. All right, guys, just like that. And we're gonna set this aside while we prepare our slaw and our avocado cream. All right, so now we're gonna prepare our pineapple slaw. So we're gonna take our cabbage, we'll add it to a bowl like that. Take our pineapples, that cilantro, the onions, lime juice, and our jerk seasoning. And all we're gonna do is toss this up, mix it together. Make sure you get all the ingredients combined, mix well. And guys, this is what we're gonna use for our topping. This is looking beautiful. Look at those beautiful colors. The green, the yellow, the purple. Doesn't get any better than that. All right, so this is what we have. We're gonna sit this aside. Let's go over to our avocado cream and get that prepared. This video is being sponsored by Temu. They sent me 4 of their products: an instant read meat thermometer, a 7.2-inch Chinese kitchen knife, a 1-piece stainless steel cutting board for the kitchen, and a colorful rack tortilla stand. Temu is an online marketplace that offers the most competitive priced products at top quality with affordable prices. Right now they have a semi-annual sale where you can get up to 90% off site-wide, and you could get free shipping on almost all orders. And if you're not satisfied with your product, no problem. You have up to 90 days to return the item. I have a unique code that you can use that will give you an additional 30% off. They accept all major credit cards. I'll leave the link to their website in the video description below, along with the link to these 4 products. Don't forget, download their app to learn more. Got it? Let's get to cooking. So first you want to add your avocados here to your blender, along with your sour cream. Guys, you can also use yogurt if you like. I like sour cream better on my tacos. Some mayo, some of that jerk seasoning, and some lime juice. Gonna cover that up, and we're gonna get this baby mixed. All right, so now we made our cream. Let's go ahead and put this in a bowl. All right, so let's add this to a bowl. Guys, look at that. This looks so good. All right, we're gonna sit this aside, put it in the refrigerator, sit it aside until our chicken is done marinating. All right, so we're gonna start preparing our chicken. So we're gonna use our Koozie Max indoor smokeless grill. I love this particular grill, man. Every time I wanna do something that has like a grill type look, I always bring out this Koozie Max. So we're gonna take our top off right here. We'll turn this baby on. We're gonna get that temperature up to around 400 degrees. Let's go ahead and spray it with some cooking spray real quick. Once it reaches temperature, we're gonna start adding those bad babies onto our grill. All right, so we're at about 400 degrees. We're gonna start adding our chicken pieces here on our grill. And we're gonna cook these babies until there's an internal temperature around 165 degrees. So with my chicken being this thin, it should take about maybe no more than 5 minutes to get this cooked around a temperature of 165 degrees. And how we're gonna check the temperature is with our Temu meat thermometer. I like this thermometer, guys. When you open it up, it automatically comes on. When you close it, automatically goes off. So you don't have to worry about not hitting the button and the powering it off and powering it on. Like some of my other thermometers, I forget to power them off and it just uses the battery. So we're gonna use this to check our temperature. Until then, let's go ahead and let these babies cook. All right, guys, so it looks like we are there on this particular, all the thickest part of this chicken. Even though these are pretty thin, the thickest part of the chicken is actually at 165. This one here is clocking in at right at 160. So it's moving up too, so we're good. So what I'm gonna do now, yeah, that's clocking higher than that. So great Temu product, guys. You need your nice thermometer, meat thermometer. Check out Temu. I'm gonna leave the link to this in the video description below, all right? All right, so let's get these babies off the grill. I'm gonna sit them here on the cutting boards, and we're gonna let these rest for about 5 minutes. That just helps these babies get really, really juicy as those flavors set in. So we're gonna move over to our cutting board for our next step. Now that our chicken is cool, it's time to get it chopped up. I have it resting here on our Temu chopping board or cutting board. It's a stainless steel cutting board, guys. Really, really nice cutting board. I really like it. And we're gonna use their stainless steel kitchen knife to get this baby chopped up. Man, look at that. I like this. I like the handle. Man, I like this little kitchen knife. So we're gonna start getting this baby chopped up, and it's sharp. All right, guys, take a look at that. We're gonna put this in a bowl so we can get our other pieces of chicken chopped up also. And then we're gonna come back and start building out our tacos. Take a look at that. Look how quick that is. All right, so now we have everything ready to start building out these tacos. So let's go ahead and get to it so we can jump into the final presentation and quality control. All right, guys, so before we start building out these tacos, of course, we're gonna use our taco holder from Temu. Guys, I'm gonna leave a link to this taco holder in the video description below so you guys can check out. So let's go ahead and get this baby built out. There you have it, guys. Jerk chicken tacos. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Let's jump into quality control because it's time to taste it out. Y'all ready? Let's go. All right, we're back in here, quality control. Yep, we sitting at the table today because I'm back with my co-host, Leah. She definitely wanted to try these jerk chicken tacos. So, hey, I invited her to share them with me. So she gonna eat them anyway after I get off the camera. But so let's go ahead. Without further ado, let's grab these tacos. I'm gonna grab this one here.
Good in the middle. Ready?
Yeah. Oh, I'm ready. Oh, y'all ready. All right, you ready? Y'all already know I love me some jerk chicken. Got that pineapple salsa too. You already know jerk chicken has a little spiciness to it, but that pineapple salsa with the sweetness balances it all out. What you think?
I really like the chicken. It's very good.
Man, these babies are delicious. Y'all already see, I already ate the whole one.
The avocado, I can taste like the pineapple taste into it.
So you definitely want to check this recipe out. Y'all know how we do it over here. So until then, y'all already know who I am. Y'all know who she is.
Leia.
And we not chefs.
We just cook a lot.
And we are out.
Peace.
Peace.